India offers a wide range of diverse and beautiful destinations to visit during the summer. Here are the top 3 places to consider. 1. Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, is a popular summer destination known for its pleasant weather and scenic beauty. Located in the Himalayan foothills, Shimla offers lush green landscapes, colonial-era architecture, and numerous outdoor activities. You can explore the Mall Road, visit the historic Christ Church, and take a toy train ride on the UNESCO-listed Kalka-Shimla Railway. Don't forget to indulge in Himachali cuisine and enjoy the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Point 2. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Manali is another beautiful destination in Himachal Pradesh, known for its stunning landscapes, adventure sports, and a perfect escape from the summer heat. Rohtang Pass, Solang Valley, and Old Manali are some of the must-visit places here. You can go trekking, paragliding, and enjoy the serene beauty of the Beas River. Manali also offers opportunities for camping and experiencing the local culture. Point 3. Goa. If you're looking for a beach destination during the summer, Goa on the western coast of India is an excellent choice. Known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and a mix of Indian and Portuguese cultures, Goa has something for everyone. Relax on the sandy beaches, indulge in water sports, explore historic churches, and savor delicious seafood. North Goa is known for its lively atmosphere, while South Goa offers a more tranquil experience. These are just a few of the many incredible destinations in India to visit during the summer. Depending on your interests, you can also...
You want to create this kind of captivating video totally free of cost. So this video is for you guys. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, Lumen5, then click on create a single video. There will be so many templates, so you can choose any template you want. So I'll choose this one. So choose it. Choose the size, this template. Click first one, transform your text into video. Here you can paste any URL if you have. Paste your text here. You can take help of ChatGPT to write text. Given the prompt, text is ready. Copy it from there. Come to this website, text-to-speech.online. I have given the link in the description. This is 100% free text to voice converter. So just paste your script. Choose the language. Choose the voice, male, female. Then go down and click on download. And come to this website, Lumen5. Then paste your script. Then continue with AI. And click on convert to video. It took 15 seconds. The whole video is ready. Now we will add the music in this video. So click on music. Upload music, and drag and drop the music. So upload that music, whatever you had converted. I uploaded the music. It is showing over there, and you will have to click here on this text part. It got applied. Now I'll have to play it, and you can change the preview also. Just preview it from here.
Offers a wide range of diverse, beautiful destinations.
You can increase or decrease the size of seconds and swap the design of this template. So click on swap design. You can choose any pamphlet you want. So I guess this one looks good. So choose here. Then you can choose the media also. AI suggested media, click on that, and you can replace the video from these suggested videos. So I'll choose this one, I guess. So click on that and drag and drop. So you can preview it. Just click on that.
Yeah, offers a wide range of diverse, beautiful destinations.
So I'll increase one more second. Just customize all these options, and according to voice, you will have to customize these options. You can just change the media from here and customize the seconds according to voice. Grab the design. I customize the whole slides. Then the whole video is ready. Then publish it. Now it is saying your download will start automatically in about 3 minutes. So you don't need to do anything. You can preview it.
India offers a wide range of diverse and beautiful destinations to visit during the summer. Here are the top 3 places to consider. 1. Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Shimla,